Everyone, welcome back to Sunday Live Show, and thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Inimba. Bantu baningi, they are like uzovuka uqhawekazi abuza ukuthi ubani othe efakani le nhliziyo la phakathi kimi. Why nibulela ikamva nazophilisa mina? Why ngazange ningiyeke? Oh guys, I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Inimba from the 19th to the 23rd of January 2026 on Monday. Isolation deepens as one woman drifts further from those trying to reach her. Elsewhere, a moment of hope is hidden from the world. It ultimately forces a dangerous choice on Tuesday. Grief blurs the line between memory and reality. Questions are asked that no one is ready to answer. Silence becomes the loudest response of all on Wednesday. A message from the past resurfaces, reopening wounds that will never healed. A family is forced to confront what was left unsaid. Desperation drives one woman to protect her child at any cost on Thursday. A long-awaited visit brings more confusion than comfort. Guilty begins to manifest in unsettling way. Elsewhere, a small gesture brings unexpected solace on Friday. Acceptance proves harder than anyone imagined. Old rivalries resurfaces as emotion remains raw. A quiet moment raises unsettling question about what lingers beneath the surface. Hey, labantu bayabhala ama-teasers. That brings us to the end of this video. Do leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.